Hey there, I'm Krista Lindstrom, and welcome to Krista's Mortgage Minute. For years, Canada's housing conversation has focused on interest rates, but the bigger story right now might be population growth. Housing demand starts with people, and people form households. New households rent houses, buy houses, and support construction. Recent population numbers suggest that Canada's growth hasn't just slowed. In some places, it's actually declined. So, why does that matter? Developers build projects based on forecasts 10 years from now and what the population is going to look like. If the population and growth numbers are correct, it looks like Canada is going to have 400,000 less households in the coming years. And that doesn't mean that Canada suddenly has too many homes. It actually means that the breakdown of the type of homes is incorrect. We are going to see a lot of pressure on rental units and condos, especially in markets like the GVA and the GTA. However, provinces like Alberta and Quebec are operating with much more stability. We see these big headlines about Canada's housing market, but in reality, the housing market isn't Canada, it's local. And we need to remember that every demographic is a little different. For family law professionals, this can make it difficult to determine property value, especially if the separation term is lengthy from a previous property value, even just a couple months ago. This could affect the numbers when it comes to spousal buyout mortgages. The key here is to remind our clients that housing decisions need to be made outside the previous norm, that interest rates are going to fall and property prices are going to rise, because that is just simply not the case anymore. So let's remember to look at the full picture. Population, employment, housing, supply, and property type all matter in our housing decisions. Good luck moving forward. Thanks.